Hello, today I'm going to show you where to locate the OBD2 slot on your BMW 1 Series. Let's have a look at the driver's side. At the pedals, there you're going to see the OBD2 slot. It's open and you can connect easily with your OBD2 scanner into the OBD2 spot. Then the only way you have to do is switch on the ignition. If you have keyless function, the only thing you have to push the start button once. Job's done. That means the ignition is on. You do not have to run the engine. So now we are going into the system, but press enter at your device, and then the device will connect to your BMW 1. Yeah, there it is. Now you're able to see the failure codes. Where are you going to find them is the new codes reading option, and if you read the code, then replace a part or repair your car, and after you repaired your car, you are able to erase the code. That means the only one you have to do is erase the code. Job's done. There are more options in the OBD2 scanner. For example, you can have live data, etc. If you finished your work, push the ignition off and then remove the OBD2 scanner out of your electronic port on the bottom side. Easy going, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.